Austrian defense manufacturer Schiebel has lifted the veil on an upgraded variant of its S-300 rotary-wing UAV during its showcase at the Paris Air Show 2025. This enhanced version is outfitted with a comprehensive suite of maritime surveillance and anti-submarine tools, including the L3 Harris WESCAM MX-10 sensor turret, IMSAR's NSP-3 radar system, a new optical payload positioned at the front, and an anti-submarine warfare (ASW) sonobuoy launcher. These additions elevate the UAV from a basic reconnaissance tool to a multifaceted naval asset capable of both surface and subsurface threat detection. This marked debut of the S-300 in its new configuration represents a milestone for tactical UAVs, pushing boundaries traditionally held by manned helicopters and patrol aircraft. The aircraft's evolution, rooted in the proven Camcopter S-100 framework, retains vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) functionality while increasing endurance and system modularity. With an approximate maximum takeoff weight of 250 kilograms, the S-300 now embodies a robust platform tailored for littoral and open-sea missions. The adoption of high-grade imaging and radar technology significantly expands the operational scope of the UAV. The MX-10 turret provides reliable day and night visual surveillance, while the compact yet powerful NSP-3 radar enhances detection of both sea and ground-based targets. A newly integrated sensor housed beneath the nose suggests augmented navigational precision or potentially new target identification features. The ASW pod, meanwhile, supports the deployment of sonobuoys, allowing the UAV to track submerged threats, a rarity in this UAV class. The Schiebel Group, headquartered in Vienna, has spent years developing the S-300 as a heavier, more mission-versatile successor to its S-100 predecessor. Unlike legacy platforms, the new S-300 is engineered with interoperability in mind, compatible with NATO sensor standards and mission protocols. This reflects a strategic intent to address the growing need for affordable, ship-launched ASW solutions in alliance fleets increasingly stretched across multiple theaters. In operational terms, the S-300 fills a critical niche. Lighter than systems like the MQ-8C Fire Scout and more capable than smaller rotary drones such as the Skelder V-200, it offers a valuable middle ground. With its VTOL capability, the drone can launch from frigates or corvettes without a dedicated runway, hover in place for ISR missions, and deliver sonar payloads over suspect underwater zones. This makes it especially attractive to navies lacking organic helicopter assets but still requiring persistent maritime awareness. Global naval hotspots, from the Baltic to the Red Sea, are increasingly characterized by hybrid warfare tactics and undersea posturing. Russian activity in Northern Europe and Iran-aligned operations in Middle Eastern waters highlight the urgency for constant subsurface monitoring. The S-300's flexibility allows it to perform SIGINT, surface surveillance, and submarine detection, often in environments where sending crewed aircraft would be too risky or costly. This new configuration confirms that the S-300 is more than a sensor platform, it's a full-spectrum maritime tool. In the current era of distributed naval operations and anti-access/area denial, A2/AD, threats, such unmanned systems are becoming indispensable. Schiebel's offering is timely, as NATO prepares for multi-domain challenges across maritime fronts. A cost-effective, sensor-rich ASW UAV could prove to be a strategic force multiplier.